Today,
beer
and Campari together.
What?
This is an amazing drink. You definitely want to stay tuned for this. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek can show you how to make
Beericano.
Beericano. It's like the Americano with beer instead of gin.
Yeah.
Everything else is the same, right? Is
what can go wrong?
No, it's 1-1. It's only one Italian lager.
Yeah.
So it's 1-1-1 where the other one is a bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah. As opposed to like an ounce of gin. So that's about the ABV of an ounce of gin. This is a Peroni. This is the high class, best Italian lager you can get.
In New Hampshire?
Mm-hmm. It's the only one I could find. And I searched, I went to a liquor store, I went to a beer store, and the little Indian lady at the beer store did not seem like she knew what she was doing. She had headphones on, first off. So I was like, I repeated myself multiple times because she didn't look like she was listening.
So how much beer should we put in here for beer for? Yeah.
I don't even know. Oh my God.
What are you doing?
How
much beer do we need for a beer?
Like 5 ounces. You need an ounce. It says, okay, so what we're going to do is we're combining Campari vermouth in a chilled glass, top with Italian lager, leaving about 1 inch. Take a few ounces of beer, whip it into foam, and whip with a whisk and a pinch of salt. Did you put a pinch of salt in there?
You got to put, in here?
Yeah. Pinch. And then you pinch out.
Good.
I don't know.
A little more.
Is that actually doing anything?
I have no idea, because...
You need more beer?
Oh, this is making a foam.
Okay. Well, this is making a foam by itself.
Yeah, there's flat. I guess they assumed the beer was going to be flat. Oh, yeah. Just dump it in there. And then...
It's already got foam on it.
I know, right? But that's salty foam.
Yeah, that's more of like a... That one's going to
like
fade.
That?
Yeah.
It's layered.
There you go. Start that fire.
Start the fire. That's your looking captain.
Almost there. Almost there.
How do you know when it's done? Does it turn to butter?
I don't know.
It's going to make them keep stirring.
Just kind of wing it.
Beer foam.
Do we need a spoon or something? So
Yeah, we need a spoon.
Beer?
Yeah.
I don't know. He just went like this.
Do you have a
Spoon?
yeah, it's good.
I have a spoon, but it's going to be a small spoon.
There you go, sir.
Make sure you do it on my camera, though. That would be cool. Like you're as far away from the camera as possible.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of beer in there still.
Well, we did generously pour more beer.
I told you that's where you need a little...
You know how they did? I'll show you how when I go to like places that serve like high-end German beer, they pour your beer, and then when you have a little left, they just go like this. And they like spin the whole bottle. And
Yeah.
just go like that and dump it on top.
Oh, yeah. You get the whirlpool effect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's aesthetically
Pleasing.
Look at that, see? No, you really got this.
I can't do this. Not like you can.
Why can't you do it?
I don't know. Dan was good at it.
Come on, light the fire.
There's nothing going on in there. There's no fire.
Light the fire. I thought you had one of them little things.
All right. That's enough foam anyway.
Do I have one of those? I don't think I have one of those.
good Mimi's.
Tastes like beer
That's
foam.
Mimi has one. I do have one of those.
Picture of that. That's pretty. That's cool.
Is it where it needs to be?
See?
No.
No, that's
No.
flat beer now.
Here,
Yeah, that's not going to be fun.
Here, I'll take a picture. Boom. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh.
So
the
fancy.
problem is it's a Campari in the bottom.
Yeah, you're gonna have to stir that.
Yeah, did you stir it up?
No, it said, what did it say? Top, leaving. It didn't say.
You can
Mix.
garnish with an orange wedge.
No, it's kind of like an Aperol spritz. You don't really stir those.
Really? But if I drink it, it's like,
Aperol.
Well, no
you drink it
straw.
from the top. You drink it.
Yeah, no straw. Come on.
Come on. At the end, all
Probably
you're
tastes a
gonna
lot
get.
like beer right
Tastes
now.
like Italian beer. All you got was beer.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta. Give me that.
You gotta give it a little bit of a toss up. Like it might be cool.
Oh, there you
but
go.
yeah. See now it looks like a real drink.
Looked like
Look at
a
it. Look at
tequila
that.
sunrise at first.
All right.
But there's still a lot of bubbles. We can make new bubbles. Look. Look, I did it.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
It almost tastes like a.
it actually like Campari.
Yeah, it tastes like an Aperol Spritz.
It does. It tastes like
Campari Spritz, sorry.
yeah. Yeah.
Aperol Spritz has Aperol.
Thank you, Jen. But the Campari is not really strong in here, so I mean, it might as well be an Aperol Spritz.
You know what's weird? I was waiting. I felt it. It was coming. I felt
It's not there.
It was going to hit you with the bite.
No.
Like, it has all the flavor of Campari, which is usually where it sneaks up on you. It's like, boom, it hits you. It doesn't hit you.
It has a good Campari taste,
but
with no
without the
bitterness.
Well, the beer is bitter too, so it's probably like stealing some of that away.
Yeah, but if the beer was bitter and it steals it, wouldn't that be a cumulative?
Oh, I think it's pretty good.
Apparently not. Well,
Yeah,
salt,
I like it.
Salt also cuts bitter, right?
Yeah.
So beer is maybe a little bit. We put some salt in the phone.
You gotta taste it. It's good.
Yeah.
I'll tell Jen if it's
It does. It tastes like the Campari with like.
No,
It's not like the bitter shock of Campari.
no. The funny thing is, this beer doesn't add anything to it. It just like
other than beer flavor.
yeah, it adds the carbonation.
No, try it, John. It's literally not bitter.
She's not gonna like it. There's bitter in there.
I mean, they're gonna be bitter.
She has.
I mean, the
bitter
beer's
drinks.
bitter too. Like,
She drinks bitter drinks.
Whoa.
Yeah,
A lot of bitter.
oh my god, that is not that bitter.
Are you
Yeah.
doing your Dan Lemon impression right now?
Yeah.
No, like the Dan Lemon impression is it's like
bit
this.
tough.
Oh,
Hers was more like a.
Oh,
Like
it's good though.
I think it's good, right? I think it's good.
So apparently it's got bitterness.
Take it back though, for the
Sorry.
intro.
Sorry.
Oh, for the intro?
Yeah.
Sometimes we do.
You put the Campari away.
I did.
You gotta do the intro.
Yeah, get it on.
Damn it, get it together.
Efficient, damn it.
I don't know. I think it's actually probably one of the better Campari drinks next to a Jungle Bird.
I think it's good.
Yeah.
Jungle Bird's a little bit more bitter to it. I was just waiting, like you got that Campari flavor, and you're like, there's like that grapefruitiness, and then they hit you, and this was just like, no, you're good.
Because it's not like that sharp, like
Yeah,
bitter.
and it doesn't
Pretty
have a lot
toneless.
of winey flavor to it,
No,
like from the vermouth.
Mm.
I don't know. I thought it was pretty impressive.
Yeah.
I
So,
think it's pretty good.
Not bad for a beer drink.
Yeah.
and this is from
Don't get a lot of those.
this is from Dan's early morning scrolling, and he found not just a bartender, which I think you must subscribe to.
Yeah, I watch them all the time.
Was it in the middle of a boring meeting? You found this?
I think so.
He was like,
Probably.
it's a one-on-one, and he's just
I
like,
was like, oh, I'm like, ooh, look at that.
yeah. It's like, oh, I'll just turn on the volume and mute myself. Listen to it. So yeah, go make that thing. There's a bartender starter kit below. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my new channel for my AI videos, my Squeaky Easy videos. Those are cool too. So
Those are fun.
New one launched, although that would be old to you guys because this comes out next week, so it would be last week's. But whatever, go watch.
Come
It's
on,
called
just
The
watch it.
Lion's Tail. So it's a good drink. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.